Welcome back. Last time you learned how to identify 3 similar right triangles, and you also know how to set up a proportion. Today we're going to use all these rules to solve for the missing length x. We have a big triangle. I'm going to retrace it, yellow. And we see the right angle, which means the side opposite this right angle, I'm going to retrace it white for you, is the hypotenuse. So same thing, this is a hypotenuse for this green triangle. And this, I'm going to draw another right angle symbol. This is a hypotenuse for this little blue triangle. Okay, that's a quick review of how to find the hypotenuse. Why it's so important? Because we're going to set up a beautiful proportion. We're looking for the missing length x. X is altitude. Now I notice I got two tick mark. One is here, one is here, which means this side is 76 units. This side is also 76. So for the big triangle we got is a isosceles right triangle. Now I'm going to set up. I see, I'm going to get some color. I see this blue triangle. 76 is its hypotenuse. So I say hypotenuse. That's 76. I see the white triangle. The hypotenuse is 107.5 units. Now, I go back to the blue triangle. Blue triangle, the x is one leg. Okay, so I'm going to say that's a leg in the blue triangle. That's x. And since I picked the big triangle, I'm going back to the big triangle one more time. I'm going to find its leg right here. So another leg for the big white triangle is 76. Now you see what a beautiful relationship. On your left-hand side, we have hypotenuse blue triangle to hypotenuse white triangle. On the right-hand side, we have leg blue triangle and leg white triangle. Now we say this is a good equivalent ratio and this is good proportion. And we erase the part we don't need because the words help us set up. They're our verbal model, right? Something you learned from your Algebra 1. Now we can solve this. So 76 times 76 and divided by 107.5, so 76 squared. Go ahead and use your calculator and I'll work it out here when x is 5776 divided by 107.5. And let's round up to the whole number, okay? So we're going to round up to the whole number. We have is about 54 units. That's it. That's how you apply the previously learned rule. Once you know how to identify 3 similar triangles, you will be able to find the missing length.